Hi everyone, in today's I'm going to explain to you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Hostinger. So in order to do that, you have to simply transfer your GoDaddy domain to Hostinger. So in order to do that, you have to log in into your GoDaddy domain portfolio page and choose a domain by ticking the corresponding checkbox. And then you have to click the name servers menu, select I'll use my own name servers and insert Hostinger servers. You have to insert this one here and then choose save and then continue. And if you enable the domain protection feature, verify your identity by entering the code sent via SMS or from your authenticator app, and you'll see a success pop-up window confirming the changes. Now you'll have to simply unlock the domain at GoDaddy. So you'll have to simply sign into your GoDaddy domain portfolio page and tick the checkbox next to the domain. Choose the lock menu and select turn lock off to unlock your domain, and review the domain and click continue. And if you enable domain protection, verify your identity, and then the success notification will appear to indicate that your domain is unlocked. Now, to obtain the authorization code, you have to select the domain to access domain settings menu. Under the additional settings section, click transfer domain away from GoDaddy and read the transfer checklist for more details. So if you want to transfer .uk domain, insert the following EPS tag. So you can see this one here, and click complete transfer. Choose continue with transfer. Once done, GoDaddy will deactivate the domain privacy settings to ensure the contact info is transferred to the new registrar. To get your APP code, select click here to see authorization code and click copy to clipboard. The web hosting provider will also send the authorization code to your domain's administrative email address. Check the transfer status by going to transfer and then transfers out. Type your domain name in the search bar and the result will appear in the check the status column. Now to initiate the domain transfer at Hostinger, so after getting the code, purchase the transfer service on Hostinger website. So here's how to do it. You'll have to open Hostinger domain transfer page if you haven't registered yet. Alternatively, log into your web hosting account at Hostinger and click transfer domain and type in your domain name and then transfer, and pick a period between 1 to 3 years, create or log into your account and select the payment method. Once you've inserted your personal information and card details, click the submit secure payment option to finish the checkout process. After making the payment, enter the APP code and select use Hostinger name servers and DNS records, and you'll get an email to confirm the transfer, and basically that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.